A big thank you to all of you who like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, or through other means support this channel. You are what makes this channel grow and become a resource for other people to learn from. Enough about how awesome you are, back to the video. You may or may not have heard about this video that has sort of gone viral. It is from a game called Unrecord. It is created by the developer Drama, which is a small indie team that has created a photorealistic first-person shooter together. You can see from the video clip here that is from their Steam page that you are having sort of a camera in the position of a body cam, lending a very realistic look to it. That in conjunction with the photorealistic environments and the excellent lighting really sells this as something that looks borderline real. Now this is of course created in Unreal Engine 5, however the achievement here cannot be mitigated. It is a really impressive trailer that they have put together, and the sound design, the animations and just the general lighting really makes this project pop, and it has because of that really gotten a lot of attention online. Now this kind of video where you sort of blur the reality of what looks real and what looks like a game has become more frequent lately when it comes to Unreal Engine, and probably will do so with other engines as well as they follow suit. For now we can just behold at the glory of some of these very talented people that are able to really put a vision into life. And it shows what you are able to do if you put your time and effort into learning this field as well. Anyway, this is going to be all for now. Enjoy the rest of the video. Keep on learning. Take care.
Where the fuck is Oscar?